Finally, Manchester United, the kings of rumor. In social media, we have seen the rumors, but Manchester United finally beat Jadon Sancho, their main protege. Their main target is Jadon Sancho, and they are just bidding Jadon Sancho for 60 million. Oh, my goodness me, 60 million. Manchester United thinks 60 million. Jadon Sancho can go for Manchester United only for 60 million. Miano Riola, that was Dortmund was their owner or what, I don't know. He will never accept that 60 million. At least he will make 100 million or 90, 80 at that type of level. 80 to 100 million he will give. Otherwise, no way. Last season also there was a talking of Jadon Sancho coming to Manchester United, but because of the wages it cannot be done. And this time also, first, just right now they have beat their first target Jadon Sancho for 60 m, only 60 m. If that Dortmund owner or who that businessman accept this deal, it means miracle. I don't know what. I never think that Jadon Sancho will come for only 60 million. In the other side, Holland 170. It will cost at least 200 million for him to come to Chelsea. And for Sancho, no, there is no way they can accept this type of nonsense bids. 60 million is very poor. At least Hakimi also at 80 million level, that right back, and Sancho only 60 million. They are bidding 60 million. My goodness, if this deal accepted, then it will be a greatest story in football, that this type of player just accepted in 60 million. I don't know what will happen to Manchester United, their owner, their businessman. Only 60 million. I think their first bid for Sancho, that's why they are bidding for only 60 million. But immediately Dortmund will reject it. Immediately. I don't think they will accept only 60 million. At least they will make the mark for 80 to 100 million maybe. Otherwise, Dortmund get players from 5 million or free transfer, and they will build a team like a dangerous, monstrous. They will be like they make Sancho, they make Ousmane Dembele, Aubameyang, now Holland. They will make this type of player and sell to other for more than 100 million, and they will earn the money, and they will still build a new team, and they will sell again. That is the project of Borussia Dortmund, and sometimes only they will win, otherwise they cannot win a trophy. That is the thing Dortmund will do each and every time. Sancho, if this deal happen, Manchester United, you are genius if this deal happen. If not, there is a 99% of chances this bid will be rejected for sure. I think 60 million last season also, more than 150 I think Dortmund is making for Jadon Sancho, and now the the millions will be cut down easily after 1 year. And I think Jadon Sancho is perfect for Manchester United. Otherwise, Manchester United cannot win the titles with that type of stupid nonsense player. Rashford also not producing some remarkable goals. At least Bruno Fernandes and Cavani has done it beautifully, and their problem is defender. Maguire is also a lord, I think. Every player is making fun for Lord Lingard, Lord Kepa. Now he is also a lord, I think. 80 million going to rain. Nothing he has done. Nothing. Only eating chicken and celery and doing nothing. I don't know why they are targeting Maguire. If they have a lot of option also, they are a big club too. I don't know, just their style is this, and I don't know. First of all, Manchester United have to sack Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. That's it. They have to sack this stupid coach. He is not even a professional coach also. Why they are bring back that, who is that guy? Zidane. Bring contact with Zidane. I don't know why they are doing like this. Make a good contact with that type of look. Antonio Conte is there. He is also great manager. And who is that? Ernesto Valverde. He is also there. And another no one is like that. And go for a good player like Sancho. They have done beautifully. If they can get, then they will also be a contender next season. Otherwise they cannot do anything. Sancho make a good assist and he is a bros of their Rashford. There will be combination of these two, and hope Manchester United can sign this type of player. As a rival fan also, I am a Chelsea fan, but Manchester United have to sign this player at any cost. Otherwise they cannot win titles at anymore. It's been 5 long years Manchester United haven't won any titles. Seamless history. I haven't seen Manchester United like that. It's a sad for me.